Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can have shown both millimeters or your dimensional units and for example inches at the same dimension look on your project. So at the moment, as you can see, we have created some kind of dimensions. That's really nice, I would say. And right now, let's say we want to also add an architecture dimension. So not only millimeters, but also we want to go with feet as well. So we are going to write down D in the AutoCAD. So it will open for us AutoCAD Style Manager. With AutoCAD Style Manager, be sure that you are set to the profile that you are using on this project and click on Modify. Here in Modify we have lines where we can add a length to, for example, symbols and arrows, text, we can fit it and many more. And here we go to primary units. Our primary unit at this case is decimal, for example, and we can do it like this, so there's less zeros, and unit format in decimal degrees. You can go degrees, minutes, seconds, gradients and radians. Let's leave it like this. We are pretty much happy. Only thing that we did, we get rid of one number. We go to standard. Yet again, we hit modify, and here we have alternate units. And this is, as you can see, the one that we are really interested about. So we hit the display alternate units. Unit format, as you can see, I'm going architectural. With architectural, it's predetermined that it's in inches. You can go with millimeters, but it won't really work as you probably expect it to work. And right now, what it will do is actually set the inches right after the original value. But we don't want that. We want to go below primary value. So, you know, it's kind of diversified, just like that. You see, and it looks straight away nicer. So that's how you can have both dimensional and architectural units shown in the same AutoCAD project. So then, thanks for watching guys, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.